If Kamala gave her first public remarks after her Biden endorsement in her Jamaican accent.
Them did things that woman can done, but woman can't done. In a 2020, I tried for the Democratic nomination. Well, see me, as Jamaicans would I say, what is for you? Yeah, it's a lot of things people have said about me over time. Them say me prosecute and persecute. Them read out my rank and file. And I talk about who me date and never date. Big up yourself, Willie B. But when them attack me, one thing me have to say to the junk for them. 51 million in 24 hours. Never! None of them are going like them are done, but them are done now. The ear said some guy. I talk about vice presidential debate. Me not call no name, but he name rhyme with ants. Cause me no trouble people, you know. Alpha, Kappa, Alpha, my side. Make them know we shall debate cause we are not all rep. What you know about me? You never watch Simpsons.